Hello, Jim. We'll talk about some more iPhone 16 stuff. Lots to come, so stay tuned for that. And we've got some stuff in from QDOS. Pretty nice looking cases here. Soft and snap hybrid. Touch, pure and snap. And also they sent us out these here. We don't have the Pro Max, but we can show you them anyway. So let's get started on these guys here, which look pretty nice. So you've got soft touch, drop protection, MagSafe Compatible recyclable, and made with 100% recyclable plastics, which is pretty good. And you've got the same again here, soft touch case with metal buttons, and that's on the back. Soft touch with premium texture, easy to grip, soft to touch, scratch resistance, drop protection. And you've got your MagSafe ring sandwich between the PC panels and TPU, and attached MagSafe accessories, and NFC compatible as well. So that's pretty much it there. Slight difference with this one, I wonder. No, just one is clear and one isn't. So again, touch again, same stuff again on the back here with this one here. And nice packaging as well. And of course there's our iPhone. So let's get these out and have a look. Open here. Alright, so we'll start with this one because this one looks really nice and looks like the one I'll be putting on. So I'll do the same here with this one, and I'll take that one out. And this one is green for Ireland. Right, we'll pop them into the little collection there. Rightio, so this one really does match this phone perfectly, as you can see there, and looks really nice. And you see our MagSafe ring there, and you've got this bezel around the camera hump here, which is really nice as well. Nice material. So that's it up close there. And you've got your buttons here on this side. You see they're slightly raised, parts down on the bottom, and again over here, and this one's raised as well. Of course, you've got your access to this guy in here, which is the Rage now. And if you're into your camera stuff, you can see it's working fine there. So you've also got a little small lip on the front. There is a screen protector on this phone already, and that's pretty much it there. So I'm just going to silence this other phone here for a minute. That's what it looks like from the side and from the top. And of course your MagSafe unit on the back there. We'll pop on this guy here, make sure it's charging up, and it's charging. And the device is charging, as you can see. And it's got a good grip as well, so that's good to see. And the keys, pretty nice, working well. And that's really about it. Really liking this one here. It's a nice, got a nice grip on it as well. And again, soft touch, as it says on the box. And that's pretty much what you're going to get there. Pretty nice case indeed. Let's check out the other one. So in here is a different texture, which is really nice. If I just bring it up closely and show you. And you've got the QDOS brand in there. None on that. So we'll just pop into the device, and that's it there. So it's kind of a different approach on that one there, as you can see. Again, there's a nice little lip on it, which is nice. And by the way, that's a metal ring there, which is pretty good. So you can see here what it's like there. It's raised, so that's that there. Again, there's a small lip on the front. So again, you can put your device down like this. And this one has a bit more grip than this one, because this one has got two different layers here, as you can see. And this one doesn't have metal buttons, so it's got these rubber texture buttons here, which is fine. But this one gives you a nice grip. So let's check out these buttons. No problems there, all work fine. And again, you've got access to your new camera button there, if you're into that, which is the talk these days. So that's no problem there. Like, and you're going to see all these cases, it will be going down like this, so you'll be able to navigate it easily anyway, which is good. No problem to use that there. And that's pretty much that part. Right, let's have a look at the charging. There we go, you can hear it there, charging away, no problem at all, and there's a nice bit of grip on that as well, which is good to see. So at the end of the day, the choice is yours which one of these two to pick, but this one's the winner for me. But I like this one here because it's got more grip on the back than this, but this one looks much better. It suits the phone perfectly, but that's just my choice. So just to run this one back on, like, of course it matches the colour of the phone now, so that's what you're looking at there. Right, we'll show you the cases for the 16 Pro Max, which we don't have and I won't be getting because it's just too big of a phone. So this is a clear case here, as you can see. Again, you got the MagSafe here. You've got the parts and all, and the key is there. Cut out here for the camera, and you can see there's a lip on that as well. And of course your cutouts on the bottom here, and your key is here. And again, it's a mixture of TPU and kind of hard plastic, which is nice. So you never know, I might change my mind and up the game on this or get the Pro, I don't know yet. I said I'll get this one this time around because I feel like this one will be the most popular phone this year. So here is the OptiGuard Eco Glass Plus, and this one doesn't come out from the side, it comes out from the bottom by the looks of it. Now also check out some other accessories we've recently done from QDOS. We'll leave a link below, which is pretty cool. We've got this here, so we'll give you a look at what to expect. You've got your installation guide, and it's like a simple application again to put these on. All these screen protector manufacturers are making these nice little things to make it pretty much simple, rather than having to put it on in several different ways. You put this guide on, you get this guide built in, you can just pop your device in and away you go, which is pretty nice. You can also see this has got a black line going around it there, so that's permanently on that there, which is nice, which will match the phone nicely as well. And that's really what you get there, and you've got a code for installation guide as well, just in case you need it. But that's the whole package there. That's built in, so basically you're just going to drop your phone in, and that's it. Screen clean and wipe, microfiber cloth, dust removal sticker, and all the bits and pieces you'd expect to get. All them are inside there, and you'll be good to go. So if you've got the Pro version, you could get both of these, and your phone is pretty much protected front and back, which is good. So just pop that one back in there for the time being, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's some of the QDOS range for the new iPhone series. We'll leave a link below to check out everything else, in the course the other stuff we reviewed. We've done some charging stuff and all for them recently there, which is pretty cool, and you can check them reviews out as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Stay tuned for lots of iPhone accessories and more cases to come as usual, and pretty cool ones as well, like what we've got here today. See you in the next one, folks. Thanks for watching.